Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen clearly. So this is 6th of September. I'd like us to start off analysis with the chart on my screen. So today I want us to look for buy positions on the SP 500. We've had a very good support here. We've had a very good resistance here. Those are the only two levels of focus. We have the first one and the second one. If the price should break beyond any of these lines, those zones, then we will be expecting a continuation in that direction. So if the price breaks above this upper red zone, we do expect the buyers to continue to push price upwards. If the price breaks below this lower zone, we do expect the sellers to push us to the lower side, at least up to this zone here. So we have a good place to look for a buy from and a good place to look for a sell from. The other chart I want us to look at is Euro USD. Euro USD, so far we are looking at a downtrend. We have a very good downtrend. So you can see we had a very good resistance zone, the main one. We had another one here. We had another one here. We had another one here. And then we have a support here. Have another support. We have another one. And we have another support here. So if the price goes and touches any of these zones, those are going to give us the best places to be looking for a buy from. So we have a place to look for a buy, a place to look for a buy, and a place to look for a buy, and we have this place here also to look for a buy. So those are the places we are focusing on: this one, this one, this one, or this one, or this one, this one, this one, or this one here. And that's my opinion. The next chart is the GBP USD. So with GBP USD, so far we are having a very good resistance. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a support here which is currently being violated. We have a support here, we have a support, we have a support here. So if the price should come to any of those zones, then we are going to be interested in a position. If the price touches the green zones but does not break below them, we will be focusing on buy positions. If the price breaks below the green zones, that will be a sign that we are now continuing to the lower side. So just expect a rebound from these zones, these green zones, to pick buy positions, or a rebound from these red zones to pick sell positions. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is upwards. So the US dollar Japanese yen, so far the price is moving intensely to the upper side. We just had a bullish break of structure here, and what it means that the price is likely going to continue to the upper side. Therefore, if you're on this chart right now, you can see here we had a bullish break of structure, which means that the price is now continuing to the upper side. So we recommend you keep looking for buy positions. Wait for a pullback up to around 147.268. If the price goes and touches this zone, then this should be an ideal place to look for a buy from. The other chart is this is gold. With gold, so far we are having a very good support. We have a very good support. We have a support here, and we have a resistance, have a resistance, have a resistance, and we have a resistance here. So as long as the price does not break below these zones, these are places to look for buys from. These are places to look for buy from, and this is a place to look for a sell from. This is a place to look for a sell from, a place to look for a sell from, and this one also is a place to look for a sell from. So expect that when the price bounces off from those zones, we will be looking for positions. So that's my opinion. That is my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I'd like us to have a look at is Brent oil. With Brent oil, so far the price is upwards. You can see we had a bullish break of structure here, we had another one here, and we had another bullish break of structure here, which means that as it is right now, the price is heading to the upper side. So we do recommend that you keep looking for buy positions on this chart, expecting that the buyers will continue to push us upwards. Ultimately, we expect to see a break and a close above this line, which is 90.976. If the price can ascend and close above it, that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of this analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.